Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking down who you're writing for and why they care. Choose a narrow niche and a clear angle so each post solves a specific problem. Once done, set a measurable goal, traffic, email signups, or revenue, and pick platform priorities. Make sure to create a simple content plan, 4-8 topics, publishing cadence, and 1 lead magnet to test. Start drafting your first pillar post immediately so momentum replaces planning paralysis. You now build the core content that will attract and retain readers. Write a pillar post of roughly 200 to 2,000 words with clear headings, examples, and actionable steps. This increases dwell time. Once drafted, optimize for search by choosing one focus keyword and improving title tag and meta description. Make sure to add visuals, screenshots, and charts, with alt text and compressed file sizes to keep load time low, and link to internal and authoritative external sources. You finish by publishing with a clear call to action, an email sign-up or downloadable checklist, and then promote immediately. Share 3 tailored social posts, include the article in 1 newsletter, and post to 2 relevant communities during week 1. Then track metrics, traffic, bounce rate, and conversions, and iterate every 2 to 4 weeks based on results. If performance is low, troubleshoot by auditing keywords, improving headlines, and testing different CTAs to find what resonates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.